truck 4 coming in the gate, Big Lake.
Going on, man?
Our truck's back. That green one on 172nd.
What?
That green semi on 172nd. Or the teal greenish semi. That Washington compost or Washington trucking.
What about it?
It's back.
Back where?
For sale.
Is it just a 3-axle truck?
I think so. Has that small sleeper on the back of it.
Yeah, I don't need a sleeper.
What?
I don't need a sleeper.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know where that's at. 172nd?
72nd Street on Highway 9. Or goes right through Smoky Point.
Yeah.
Highway 9 to Smoky Point.
Okay. This is parked on the side of the road there by their plant? Okay. Oh, the green one.
Yeah, the green one. That's super nice.
Do you know how much they were asking for it?
I don't. Do you?
No, because that would just make life worse.
Yeah, I know. I'll stop by and look for you.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
You're good.
General Paragraph. James Kine truck on the scale for lightweight.
What can we get for you today?
I need another load of 1.5 inch washed drain fill rock.
To be honest, I don't know how much I have. You can go back and check.
Okay, thank you. VP that's having the incline rates. Where I'm at. Perfect.